Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as we all know, it's Halloween month. So we are here with some easy and scary Halloween makeup looks. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step is priming your face. For primer, I am using Instant Makeup Primer. I almost forgot about the lens. तो जस्ट मैंने बैक कैमरा पे जाके लगा के आई हूँ. देयर इज अ स्कैरी वाइट लेंस. ये मैंने मलाड से खरीदी थी. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज फाउंडेशन. फॉर फाउंडेशन आई एम यूजिंग डर्माकूल 224 शेड. मेक श्योर आप बहुत कम अमाउंट अप्लाई करें. ओनली दिस मच, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज्यादा कवरेज देता है. तो इसे मैं अपने हाथों से ब्लेंड करूंगी. आई एम मोर कंफर्टेबल विद माई हैंड्स. So as you guys can see, this is little lighter than my shade. पर Halloween makeup look के लिए मेरे को थोड़ा white रहना पड़ेगा. So next up we have concealer. For this I'm using this beauty blender. Next we are using loose powder to just set this foundation on place. Just a little amount of this. This will give you some matte finishing, as you guys can see. Now we are concealing our eyes with Miss Claire full coverage makeup. Just a tiny amount of this. So for eyes we are going in with Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tint. We are going into this red shade, dark red I guess, and we'll make a wink on our upper crease. Like this. We'll go on this lighter shade of red just to buff and blend it together. You don't need to be worried about how messy it is, क्योंकि it is a Halloween makeup, तो थोड़ा मेसी तो बनता है. तो ज़रा भी टेंशन नहीं लेना कि ये ऊपर चला गया, नीचे चला गया, ख़राब हो गया, मेस्ड अप हो गया. It is a Halloween makeup, so it should be little messy. So we are done with this eye part. Now we are gonna use this Lakme eyeliner just to make a little winky. Let it dry for a few seconds. So as you guys can see, I'm done with my one eyes. और दूसरी आंखों के लिए मैं बैक कैमरा जाके जल्दी से वापस आ. As you guys can see, we are done with the eyes. Now for eyebrows, we are doing this dark brown eyebrow pencil. Just giving some shading. So eyebrows are done. So now it's blush time. For blush, we are using some peach pink shade. For highlighter, we are using these two shades together. So now we are doing the lips. First, we'll just outline it. So ये lip का end से अपन this thin brush we are gonna make a line. तो हम इसी तरह ये साइड भी लाइन बनाएंगे. ये जो हमने आउट निकाला था लिप्स के पास से, like this. It is completely okay अगर आपका लाइन एक दूसरे से मैच नहीं कर रहा है, अनइवन है या थोड़ा मेस्ड अप है, क्योंकि ये हैलोवीन लुक है तो it should be little messed up. After we are done with this line, हम आईब्रोज के ऊपर भी एक ट्रायंगल शेप देंगे. Not triangle, just a straight line, straight or messy little bit. ये अपने नीचे आंखों के वाले से कनेक्टेड होना चाहिए ना. Yeah. Now we are gonna blend this with the same red जो हमने आंखों पे यूज किया था, just to blend it. This is what it looks like. Now we are going for lips. For lips we are doing red. Obviously red. And now थोड़ा सा नोज पे सर्कल. So we are pretty much it with this Pennywise look. As you guys can see, base already ready है. we'll directly go on to the eyes. We are going smoky this time, smoky eyes, with just 2 shades. We'll directly go in with black. Now we'll go with this silver whitish glitter just to put my eyes are done. Now we are making a skull structure. We'll make some S kind of shape like this. So as you guys can see, the structure is ready. Now we'll just put this liner to make a line. We'll just connect both the line and make a Now we are gonna make straight lines just to make this a teeth effect. Now to detail this line, we are gonna use this dark brown shade over this black and we'll just blend this in. Now we'll go on with some more lighter shade. We'll go on with some orangish brown. Now we are done with the sculpting part. अब हम अपने नोज पे एक ब्लैक This nose is optional. If you want, then only you have to make, or else you can just skip. So as you can see, we are done with the makeup. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप आप सबको मेरा ये मेकअप वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया हो, और ऐसी ही वीडियोस देखने के लिए प्लीज लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. और हाँ, इन दोनों में से आपको कौन सा वीडियो सबसे अच्छा लगा है वो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं. थैंक यू.